So we're going to draw an example of what this looks like. And so first you have the outer ring, which is the atom. So draw that on your paper, label it the atom. My words are cut off because of the screen, but it's the atom. Then this pink part is going to be your nucleus, so go ahead and draw and label nucleus. If you wanted to color or coordinate your words and colorings, that'd be fine also. Then the red dots are going to be protons. Again, my words are cut off from the screen, but that's protons. The green dots are going to be the neutrons. This magenta fill is going to be our electron cloud. And then the two black circles inside the electron cloud are going to be the energy levels. And then the last thing we're going to put on there is 3 blue dots, and those blue dots are going to be electrons.